properties of fluids. The first important property of fluid is mass density. Now, mass density is defined as, now the symbol is rho. Now, it is defined as mass of fluid per unit volume. Okay, so the formula for rho is m upon v. Now, its SI unit is, so for mass, the unit is kg, and for volume, the unit is meter cube. So, this is its SI unit for mass density. So, the greater is the value of rho, it is difficult for a fluid to flow. Okay. Now, the density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Okay. The second important property of fluid is specific weight. The symbol is small w. Now it is defined as weight per unit volume. So you can say specific weight is defined as weight of fluid per unit volume. Okay. So W we can write as, the formula is weight divided by volume. Now its SI unit for weight is Newton and for volume is meter cube. So this is Newton per meter cube. Okay. Now the another name of this specific weight is weight density. So from this formula, now we can write as, now weight is, so W you can write as weight is m into g, mass into acceleration due to gravity divided by volume. So m upon v is rho. So W we can also write as rho g, or rho you can write as W upon g. Okay, so this is specific weight or weight density. Then the third important property of fluid is specific volume. The symbol is small v. It is the volume of fluid per unit mass. So you can write V as volume upon mass. SI unit for volume it is meter cube, and for mass it is kg. So you can also see this is inverse of mass density. So this is specific volume. Then another important property of fluid is specific gravity. The symbol is S. Now this specific gravity has three definitions. One is the general definition. Second is the definition for liquid. And third definition is for gases. Okay. Now the general definition for specific gravity is it is the ratio of the specific weight of a fluid to the specific weight of a standard fluid at standard temperature and pressure. Okay, now this is the general definition. So you can write as S is equal to specific weight of specific weight of fluid divided by specific weight of standard fluid at standard conditions. Now, if we talk about liquid, for liquid, now the definition becomes the ratio of the specific weight of a liquid to the specific weight of a standard liquid at standard temperature. Now, for liquid, the standard temperature is 4 degrees centigrade and pressure is 1 atmospheric pressure. So you can say the ratio of specific weight of a liquid to the specific weight of a standard liquid at standard temperature, that is 4 degrees centigrade, and at standard pressure, that is 1 atmospheric pressure, is the specific gravity of a liquid. So specific gravity of a liquid is specific weight of liquid divided by specific weight of standard liquid. Now standard liquid is water at 4 degrees centigrade and 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. Now in case of gases, now this definition becomes the ratio of the specific weight of a gas to the specific weight of a standard gas at standard temperature, that is 15 degrees centigrade, and pressure, that is 1 atmosphere. So that become the specific gravity of a gas. So S for a gas we can write as W for gas divided by W of a standard gas. Now standard gas is either air or it will be hydrogen. Okay, so that becomes the definition of specific gravity. Now specific gravity S you can also write as, now if we talk about this general term, that is equal to, now specific weight of fluid we can write as rho into G of fluid. Now specific weight of water we can write as rho into G of water or standard fluid. This becomes, now G is constant, so this becomes a rho for fluid divided by rho for standard fluid. So you can also say specific gravity is the ratio of densities, density of fluid to the density of standard fluid at standard conditions. Now, because of this relation, S is equal to rho F divided by rho of standard fluid, we can also call this S as a relative density. The another name for S is a relative density. So another name for specific gravity is a relative density, because this is also the ratio of densities, density of a fluid to the density of a standard fluid. Okay. Then another important property of